Hi guys, let's make some yummy, delicious date cake. Very fluffy, very soft, very delicious, most especially natural sweetener. There is no artificial sugar at all. So the date was used as sugar for it, and that make it perfect, more healthier, and more yummy, 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 yummy.
So this is
Let's
date.
go.
I added water. So we're going to allow this to cook for a few minutes just to soften the date. So I think it's soft. I'm going to use this masher to mash the date. Let's see what. So I've transferred our mashed date inside this bowl. So I'm going to be adding vegetable oil. I will list the quantity of the ingredients in the comment section. I'm going to. So after adding the vegetable oil, I'm going to add egg. Then we're going to mix. So here we have all-purpose flour, baking powder, pinch of salt, and cinnamon powder. So I'm going to be adding it bit by bit until we mix all the dry ingredients properly. Gradually, I will just keep mixing it bit by bit. Keep mixing. So we are done with the mixing.
So guys, as you can see,
our baking pan.
this baking pan and the cake from the beginning are different, but both are date cake, because when I finished baking, I didn't know my phone was not recording. Okay, but both of them are date cake, so I just wanted to
So
clarify
I'm going to add walnuts.
that part.
Time to bake.